Hey guys, I just wanted to film a quick dorm tour in case anyone is planning on moving or considering moving and attending Rochester Institute of Technology. I live in Ellingson Hall, and yeah, I just wanted to show you the dorm. So I'll start over here. I just have like some of my shoes, trash and recycling. I have my dresser with my TV on top of it. Some of my things that are falling down right here. I have this bin of like masks and this cowgirl hat with a bandana that I got. And then over here I have some coasters and this like jewelry organizer that I don't really use, and then some beautiful signs that I haven't put up on my wall yet. I have one of my winter jackets sitting right here just because I was just wearing it, and then my bed. So my bedding is from Pottery Barn. This blanket is from Pottery Barn. This blanket was given to me. My pillows are from Target, and this is from TJ Maxx, and I have like my wall art. So yeah, this one is from Etsy, I think. This one, I think it's from Dormify. My roommate Taylor got it for me. And then I have this like hanging pegboard from IKEA with all the little clips and stuff. And then I have this little hanging knitted thing. It's my favorite, and my friend made it for me, so yeah, I love it. And over here I have my bedside table. So it has some drawers with just like the remotes and stuff in it. And I have like one of my textbooks that I have to return, AirPods, a little jewelry organizer, and this like hold your phone. Some vitamins here. My light. This one changes colors. I got it from Amazon and I love it. And then I have this little hanging sign that my big made me, and those letters. I have this little keychain and some canvases. I have my weekly calendar of my classes, my Polaroid camera, a photo of my friends, and then here's my desk. Just close this. And I have my agenda with my glasses case and stuff. My lamp is from Target. It's a little pumpkin that I got from Target. My Echo Show. Been playing music on it. My laptop, obviously. My iPad. Water. Some tea that I had yesterday. And a picture in here. I have a bomb.com, some cards with like different words on them for different like signs. This is a moving picture frame. It just got unplugged, so I haven't been using it. And like my Apple Watch charger. And then I have my mirror from Amazon. I have this little thing that I think is from Target. My roommate also got that for me. Then these two were given to me. So it's a nice little setup. I have this hanging basket from Target. It's like a pinkish color. I really like it. Has like my scrunchies, headbands, clips, and random stuff in it. I have my dirty laundry right there, and my yoga mat, my wallflower. And then I have these hooks here that I use for, usually I have 2 towels here. I usually have like the mask that I'm wearing that day, and my dorm key, so I always have it in the same place. And then I have my closet. Our closets are right next to each other. I was lucky that I didn't have to have my dresser in my closet, so I have this like hanging thing with some drawers. It's kind of messy, but I have like tops and then some like dresses, shirts, shorts that I haven't really been wearing. This is from Pottery Barn, this like cloth dresser organizer. And then I have, this is like the bin of stuff that I use like every day. I just have like moisturizer, deodorant, all that good stuff, so I can just take it out and use it. I have, this is like my little laundry bin. I have my dryer sheets and my Tide Pods in here. It just sticks under here. I have my vacuum right here, which we love, and my little travel caddy that I use when I leave the dorm. Then I have another laundry bin in here. It's the same as this one. They're both from Target, and I use this for my whites and like clothes that I don't want to wash with like my normal laundry, like nicer clothes. And then I have all my like jackets, jean jackets, bigger things hanging in here. I have my pair of scissors here. And then I just have some random stuff. I have hot chocolate. There's like coffee, cups in here, apron from work, another towel. There's some sweatshirts in here. Kind of hard for me to get up there. I have a purse up there. And yeah. And then also this white carpet is from Target. I really like it. And then I forgot to mention, this is like a fold out like table for the bed. This is from IKEA. I really like that. Also, I forgot to say, there's like a air conditioning heating unit here, but it's just off right now. And yeah, I have this little storage ottoman that I keep like hairbrushes and hot tools in. It's really discreet. It also helps me get up onto the bed because I'm really short. I have my fan here that I use like every night to keep like the air circulating. And I also forgot, under my bed I have these 2 sets of drawers, and when I packed up from home to come here, I just like loaded them up with stuff and put them in the car, taped them shut. And so when I got here, I could just like shove them under the bed like that. They're really nice to have for storage. So yeah, that is everything. I think I forgot to mention, I have like my work backpack here, my school backpack here, and a set of drawers, just because these desks are really big, but they didn't come with any drawers. And so yeah, that is everything. Bye.